Let's talk about division of fractions. Let's use this example A. It says a bus is carrying 120 passengers, which 5/6 of the carrying capacity of the bus. So that means they got 5/6 of the bus filled. And we're wanting to know what is the total capacity of the bus. So I know 120 passengers are on it and it covered 5/6 of the bus. So we're going to divide. And we're going to use the rule of division with a fraction or fractions. And it is keep the first term, keep the first term, change the operation, and flip the second. And guys, whenever I say flip, it's also the same as reciprocal. Okay, so if you see the word reciprocal, it's the same thing. It just means flip it. I'm going to put a 1 underneath the 120 for any visual person. And we're going to keep the first term the same. I'm going to change division to multiplication, and I'm going to flip the second term. Now, I'm going to see if there's a number on bottom that will reduce with a number on top. I noticed that 120 ends in 0, so 5 will go into it. We need to figure out how many times. So if you need to come over here and do long division, I encourage it. 5 goes into 12 2 times. 2 times 5 is 10. 12 minus 10 is 2. Bring down the 0. 5 goes into 24 times. 4 times 5 is 20. It gives me a remainder of 0. Oh, so that works out great. 5 times 24 is 120 times 6 over 5. And now I can say, oh, wow, okay. My 5s go into itself one time. And now I'm left with 24 times 6, all over 1. We don't need the 1s anymore in the denominator. So now what is 24 times 6? And if you need to line that up and multiply, I would. It's 144. So the total capacity of this bus, the total number of students, people, passengers that can be on the bus is 144. All right, let's do B. B says we have a product of two numbers, and those two numbers is 30. Is equal to, remember that. It says if one number is 5/19, what is the other number? All right, so I'm going to let X, you can let whatever variable you want it to be my unknown, and my X is going to be the other number. So I'm going to take that 15/19 X and set it equal to 30. Now let's solve for X. However, X has a coefficient of 15/19, and we need it to be a positive 1. So I know if I multiply by its reciprocal or flip it, then I know 19 goes into itself once, 15 goes into itself once, 1 time X is X, and that's what we wanted. However, remember, what you do to one side, we must do to the other side. Now that I've done this, I'm going to rewrite it. I got 30 times that 19 over 15. Well, I know 15 goes into itself once, and it goes into 30 twice. That leaves me with 2 times that 19. So now, and again, if you need to line it up, I would. 19 times 2 is 36, or excuse me, 38. Got ahead of myself, 38. So the other number is 38. Thank you.